Hi, it's Rob Di Maio again with eXp Realty, and we are once again at 102 Heathery, the new construction built here in Ford's Colony. And I wanted to go upstairs. Upstairs is it's predominantly 2 bedrooms and 1 bath, and then a lot of storage. But I wanted to show you the space up here because I think it speaks to the versatility of the house. Where we have the 2 dormers here, we've got this space here that's a landing. It could be an additional living space or an office area, or just think about all the different things you could do with this space. And I love the dormers. My kids, when they were younger, loved dormers, and they always thought about having window seats and things like that. It could be a great space, just a little nooks to read, or to have a little desk, or just a nice place just to relax. So the dormers are great because they add to the character of the house and give you the traditional look from outside. But then this space up here is nice and open, and kind of lends itself to the openness of the whole floor plan downstairs as well. So just remember, if you're interested in this home, I have the floor plans. I can send them to you. Feel free to reach out to me for any questions that you have. You can reach me at 210-488-1144. That's 210-488-1144. We welcome you to Ford's Colony and to Williamsburg. And just remember that no matter where you are in the United States or Canada, we can help connect you with another CRS, that's a certified residential specialist, to help you with your move, whether that's buying or selling here in Williamsburg or anywhere around the country. CRS agents are highly qualified. There's only about 3 to 4% of realtors have that designation. I am one of them, and I'll be happy to connect you with other agents if you're outside of the area, if you need help buying or selling. But once again, this is 102 Heathery, great space. We're gonna have some continuing videos as the build progresses. Right now we're waiting on the windows to show up, and once that happens, it's going to be it's magnificent, because once the windows go in, the roof goes on, and we just keep progressing on the build. So till next time, take care and have a great day. Bye-bye.